welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making slime and we will be using slime activator, glue, pineapple scent, red coloring, we have purple beads and like all different colors of blue glitter, and then a measuring cup. So we're gonna start. What do we start with?
The glue.
Which one? Okay, glue, how much?
60 milliliters.
Okay. Oh, you have to screw this part. I can't screw it. Oh, there. There. $60?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Oh my God. I think 20 is enough.
No.
Ow.
Take the top off. Pour it.
Yeah. Here. There. Okay. So now we do the same thing, but just do that to 20.
The activator is 10.
Okay. But do we pour it in now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can either add it or, okay, that's fine. Yep, go ahead.
Do we stir it now?
Nope, gotta put the activator in. Okay, now do 10. You wanna use this one?
No, I want to use it. This one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so where do we do that? Just the
10.
bottom line?
10 milliliters, yep.
There's too much glue. The glue's
Yeah,
already
then
still
do,
filling
okay,
it
let
up.
me do that and you do this one. You use that one, okay?
Okay. So 10 is the very bottom, right? There, perfect.
Good?
Now do we stir it?
Yep.
Okay. Spoon. How long? Wow, it's already turning into slime. Ooh.
Keep going.
Wow. Is it all good?
Keep going.
Looks like slime. It's literally slime.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the scent. How many drops, Dad?
What is that?
It's
Oh,
pineapple
scent? Oh, I didn't.
Oh, gotta take the lid off. There's like, Dad, I need help. Dad,
Okay.
because there's like those things that you have to peel off. Because I didn't use that one yet. I'll only use like 2. Okay. So my dad's using his forehead to hold it right now.
There you go.
Okay. Whoa.
Oops. This is the scent. Smell it. What's it smell like?
It's pineapple.
Okay. He's gonna put a little
Whoa.
in. You're gonna put a little in.
Yeah, you only put 2 drops in. That's
come
what
here.
me and Mommy did. One? Wait, well.
You gotta take the top off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah.
There you go.
1, 2. And now we. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, you guys want to smell it? Okay. It smells really good. Okay. It's all done. Now we stir it for like kinda. Now the slime smells really good. I don't smell it anymore.
Mm.
I guess I'll put like 2 more. Actually, just 1 more. Okay, so there. Accidentally did 2. Let me smell it. Yep, I'm only gonna do 1, 2. There, you can smell it now. Okay, now we're gonna try and do like 4 of these.
And what is this now?
It's coloring.
Oh,
The red.
I thought you were gonna do glitter. So it's just,
I'm gonna do coloring first.
but then the glitter won't show.
Yeah, well,
I think the glitter would be
I'm
pretty.
only doing 2. 1, 2, 3. Only 3, I guess. Wow, it's like, wow, look at that color, guys. It's getting stuck on the bowl. That looks cool. Guys, do you think we should leave it like this or put more? Comment down below. Leave it like that. Do you want more? Okay. Dad, I don't want to spill it everywhere. Don't get it in your mouth. That's good enough. Now we gotta put it in that pack. Stir it. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of the beads. Take one more punch. Done. Wow. You think this belongs in a big one or a small one now? I'll try and put it in a small one.
No, a big one.
Okay. Ew, it's all gooey. Feel it.
Ew. Smells like pineapple though. Okay, put the cup over there.
I'm just gonna pour it in like this. It's stuck to the bowl.
You gotta use your hand then. Oh, there we go.
Ew. This belongs in a little one. Look, Dad. Comment down below if we should do another slime making video, guys. Now it looks all pink.
Scrape it out.
Scrape it with my hand? No, spoon.
Okay.
Can you hold this? Get in the bowl. Cut you. Cut you. Curse you.
Okay, is it good?
Oh no. Oh, it's stuck to me.
You're supposed to pick it up, aren't you?
Ah.
Oh, God, it got on me. Gross.
My hand looks like a spider.
Aren't you supposed to pick it up and play with it?
Yeah, I don't want to do it now.
Oh. Okay.
Gooey. Oh no. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, comment down below if you like slime. Bye.